Hey beauty lovers, welcome to Beautyistic. Today I've got something that's all about giving your lips that perfect pop of color with a high gloss finish. The Revlon Lipstick in the shade 025 Glassy Ruby. This isn't your ordinary lipstick. It promises to deliver not only vibrant color, but also hydration and a super smooth finish. Let's dive into the details of this gem and see if it truly lives up to the hype. First off, the 025 Glassy Ruby shade is a gorgeous, bold red with a glossy, almost glass-like finish. If you're into that statement lip, but don't want the dryness that often comes with matte formulas, this might be a game changer for you. The key feature here is the high shine emollients in the formula, which reflect light and give your lips that extra lush, glossy appearance. So, if you're looking for something that really pops under the light, this is it. What I really love about this formula is the hydration factor. It's infused with hyaluronic acid, aloe, and even rose quartz. These ingredients work together to lock in moisture, making your lips feel soft and nourished, not dried out, even after hours of wear. And let's be honest, a lot of glossy lipsticks can feel sticky or heavy, but this one is creamy and smooth, gliding on effortlessly for that luxurious finish. Now, I had the chance to test this in real-world situations. I wore it through my daily routine, from sipping my coffee to chatting away in Zoom calls, and I can confidently say the comfort level is top-notch. The color stayed vibrant for a good few hours without needing constant touch-ups though. As with most glosses, I did find myself reapplying after eating or drinking. In terms of texture, it's definitely more of a slick, glossy feel. If you're not into that shiny slip-and-slide texture, this might not be for you. But if you're like me and love a glossy, hydrated finish, it's an absolute treat. The formula feels rich and emollient without being overly thick, and there's no stickiness. It's really all about that high shine comfort. As for the pros, first, the shade 025 Glassy Ruby is bold yet wearable, making it a great option for both day and night looks. The hydrating formula is a game changer if you're used to your lips feeling parched after wearing lipstick. Plus, the infusion of aloe and rose quartz adds a nice touch of care, which isn't something you typically see in more affordable lipsticks. On the flip side, the glossy finish could be a downside for some. If you prefer a matte finish or something more subtle, this may not be the right choice. Also, while the wear is decent, the color will fade quicker than a matte lipstick, so you'll need to keep that in mind for all-day wear. When it comes to value for money, Revlon hits the sweet spot. At 0.15 UTs, this lipstick is priced very reasonably, especially considering the quality of the formula. Given the hydrating ingredients and the sleek, high-shine finish, it's definitely worth the price, particularly for those who want a luxe feel without breaking the bank. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more matte or want a longer-lasting formula, there are alternatives. For a more matte look with similar hydration benefits, you might want to check out some of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipsticks, which offer a more budget-friendly option, though they won't have the same glossy shine. In terms of build quality, I'm pretty impressed with the packaging. The lipstick itself feels sturdy and sleek, and the twist-up tube works smoothly. No complaints here. So would I recommend the Revlon 025 Glassy Ruby? If you're someone who loves glossy, hydrated lips with a pop of bold color, absolutely. It's perfect for those who want a comfortable, high-shine lip product that gives off a luxurious feel without the luxury price tag. However, if you're someone who prefers matte or needs something super long-lasting, there might be better options out there for you. Before we wrap up, if this review helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing honest reviews just like this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used the Revlon 025 Glassy Ruby, I'd love to hear what you think. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out. See you in the next one.